Dubai government decided to destroy it, rather develop it more. Entire Expo City is based on sustainable concepts. In terms of investment, they have invested a lot of money. So you're not just investing for the building itself, and that will be massive. Expo, one of the best events that happened in Dubai. Hi, this is Anora, and today I'm going to talk to you about Emaar's latest launch and give a little bit background about Expo entirely and break down the location and the price point. Let's go back to 2013 when Dubai got the opportunity to host the Expo. Well, they had invested a lot of money to build on the infrastructure, to build the pavilion, and Expo 2020 is one of the best things that happened here in Dubai. Now, based on that, the Dubai government decided not to destroy it, rather develop it more. That's when they started to build their residential projects over here. This Expo Living is one of the most sustainable, technology driven, and one of the most green community. Now, this is how Expo looks. This is the dome wherein you have the Christmas markets going on, you have the Ramadan markets. It's one of the biggest marketplaces that take place. Not just that, entire Expo City is based on sustainable concept, meaning that you don't have to use your cars to move around. The only way to move around is electric cycles or the buggies. Now let's talk about the location. This is Expo City, and the connectivity, you have Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and the Expo Road. Now to talk about the proximity, you're very close to the Al Maktoum International Airport. You're hardly 20 minutes from Palm Jebel Ali, and almost 25 minutes with no traffic, you will reach downtown. Now that you know about Expo, where exactly it's located, what and all you can expect from Expo and how ready the community is, let's talk about the latest launch that Emaar is coming up with. Basically, their first launch was Terra Heights, which is right over here, and this is the mall that Emaar is building in. Emaar is known for building one of the biggest malls. You have the Dubai Mall. Not just that, they've also built in the Dubai Hills Mall. Now, they've gotten the contract to build here a mall in Expo City. With that, they've gotten a plot where they're launching their residences. So previously with Terra Heights, they had launched 2 buildings, and this time they're launching Terra Garden. Now after the successful launch of Terra Heights, now Emaar is launching Terra Gardens. Now, in terms of investment, why is Expo City good? Let's think about it this way. The World Trade Center, what is moving to the south, which will have double the events taking place. That means 2 events per day. Not just that, when we see the entire master plan of Expo City, you know that the DP World is moving there, they have their headquarters there, you have Nestle headquarters coming in there. Imagine the number of job opportunities that will be created. Not just that, the crowd from the airport. We are not talking about passengers, we are talking about the ground staff, the pilots, the air hostess that would want to live closer to the airport. So, considering all that facts, Expo City is one of the potential area where we see growth. Now, not just that, in terms of connectivity also, the metro station is already up and running. You have the metro station right over here. So you're not just investing for the building itself, you're investing for the community, you're investing a lot of opportunities that are coming in. Now let's talk about Terra Gardens entirely. So this was the previous launch, this is Terra Heights. They launched a set of 4 buildings and they all share a same podium wherein you have a lot of amenities right there. So you don't just have the amenities outside the community, you have within the community as well. So this is Terra Heights, which they had launched in previously, and they have the biggest podium with a lot of amenities. This is one of the biggest podium that Emaar has ever built in. So the similar concept we are expecting, they're coming up with Terra Gardens as well. Now the estimated prices for 1 bedroom is almost 1.6 million and for 2 bedroom is almost 2.2 million. Now the question arises, why should you invest in Terra Gardens? Well, look at it this way. You have seamless connectivity with the metro already existing there, so it's up and running already. Not just that, you have all the retails there with Emaar coming up with the mall and of course the retails that are present in Expo. That being said, in terms of entertainment and in terms of short-term rentals also, well, in Expo there will be 3 concert arenas and that will be massive. That means imagine the crowd that will be coming in every time an event takes place. So this will work beautifully when you're considering to rent it on short term. Then we have already spoken about how the exhibition center is coming in and how many events it will be holding. So imagine the number of crowd that will be coming in here. Terra Gardens is giving you the opportunity to enter at a lower price point in this amazing, already matured community, already matured infrastructure. So this is your time to grab on this opportunity and make the most out of it. Now, I have done a detailed analysis about comparing with price per square feet between Expo Living and Emaar's Terra Heights. Now, if you talk about the payment plan, Emaar's standard payment plan, which is 80-20, you pay 80% during construction, 20% on handover. And the handover is expected to be in 2030. And Emaar comes with the standard sizing with the 1 bedroom of 750 square feet and 2 bedroom of about 1150. Now I made a detailed analysis comparing the price per square feet with Expo's community, with Emaar's community, and comparing it to the entire Dubai South. So if you want to know about it or are interested in this project, then contact me on the number given below and I'll catch you back in the next video.